A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Kharmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Don Bosco Music Academy in Vinala, Kochi was filled with music and joy on the occasion of World Music Day celebrated on 21st June. Because of this anniversary, many young people perform entertaining and enthusiastic crowd. The celebration began with an opening by the famous film artist and model Asha Arvind, who praised the academy for its dedication to cultivating young talents and gave certificates to graduates of Trinity College in London. Father K.D. Varghese, rector of the academy, welcomed the participants and rewarded the tutors with small gifts. With over 400 members who master various instruments, the Don Bosco Music Academy therefore kick off a spectacular series of performances, including by the OTK band, whose young guitarist Rohan Krishna, just 10 years old, fascinated the audience with his impressive skills. It was an evening of music and talent which left an indelible impact on all who witnessed it. On 17 and 18 June, Father Maximus Okoro, director of Don Bosco Tech Africa, was welcomed in Brussels by Don Bosco International (DBI), the body that represents the Salesian congregation within the institutions of the European Union. With the idea of strengthening joint advocacy actions between Africa and Europe, DBI organized a round of meetings with EU officers and civil society organizations, in which Father Okoro had the opportunity to present the mission of DB Tech Africa, the Salesian Investments in Vocational Education and Training (VET), good practices in the field of social inclusion, youth employment and empowerment of communities. Set Mon Istwaha, This Is My Story could seem just a music video clip, one of the millions that populate the web. But it is more than that. It is the story that 4 young people from the Salesian Guerrilli 95 Association in Pontoise in the French department of Douai in France. They have created it for the Festiclub Salesian Festival of Short Films that the Salesians of the province of France and Southern Belgium, FRB, make every year at the beginning of June. With their emotional video, Suleima, Adama, Baraka and Mbinti told their migration story with great lucidity. The South Caribbean Pacific Region Salesian Cooperators Association Formation Congress was held from 21st to 23rd June. On the theme, From the Apostolic Life Project PAL, we continue with our dream in the Salesian style. The event was attended by 70 ASC from the region representing Bolivia, Colombia, Bogota and Medellin, Peru and Ecuador. The Congress was held with the main objective of strengthening and deepening the knowledge and understanding of the PAL through reflection, dialogue and the exchange of experiences to inspire, motivate and pass on the precious joy of the charism to the young people of the family of Don Bosco. The 6th meeting of human talent in the Salesian province of Central America (CAM) took place from 10 to 13 June at the Sant Benito Spirituality House in Heredia. The central theme was Human Talent Management, an approach that starts from the well-being of people and its impact on critical processes. The event was attended by 43 collaborators who hold positions in the coordination, management and economy of human talent. During the days, formation sessions were held on the management of human talent, on co-management between Salesians and lay people, and on critical processes. Work sessions were also held on the manuals of human talent policies and procedures and on the profile manual based on organizational structures. In addition, the participants from the 6 countries that make up the CAM province experienced moments of Salesian spirituality with daily mass and the good night. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.